up for the maid of honor, Angelica Schuyler! To the groom, to the groom, to the groom,
to the bride, to the bride,
to the bride.
from my sister,
Angelica,
it's always by your side, to the union, and the hope that you provide, may you always be satisfied. I remember that night, I just might forget that night for the rest of my days. I remember those soldier boys tripping over themselves to win our praise. I remember that dream like candlelight, like a dream that you can't quite face. But Alexander, I'll never forget the first time I saw your face. I had the same intelligent eyes in a hunger pain frame. And when you said hi, I forgot my dang names in the heart of flame, every part of flame. This is not a game.
Strike me as a woman who has never been satisfied.
I'm sure I don't know what you mean. You forget yourself.
You're like me, I'm never satisfied.
Is that right?
I've never been satisfied.
My name is Angelica Schuyler.
Alexander Hamilton,
Where's your family from?
unimportant, there's a million things I haven't done. Just you wait, just you wait.
So this is match race. Someone that you love, but the hell is the catch? The feeling of freedom of seeing the light is Ben Franklin with the key to kite. You see it right? The conversation lasted 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. Everything we said in total was 3 minutes. And 3 minutes, a bit of a dance, a bit of a posture, it's a bit of a stance. He's a bit of a flirt, but I'ma give it a chance. I asked about his family. Did you see his answer? His hands started fidgeting. He looked askance. His penniless, he's flying by the seat of his pants. Handsome boy, does he know it? Beach buzz, and he can't even grow it. I wanna take him far away from this place, then I turn and see my sister's face, and she is so red. Oh, she is red. Her eyes are just red. And I realize 3 fundamental truths at the exact same time. Number 1, I'm a girl in a world in which my only job is to marry rich. My father has no son, so I'm the one who has to social climb for one. So I'm the oldest and the wittiest and the gossip in New York City is insidious. And Alexander is penniless. That doesn't mean I wanna let him go. Number 2, he's after me 'cause I'm a Scottish sister that elevates his status. I have to be naive to set that aside. Maybe that is why I introduced him to Eliza. Now that's his bride. Nice going, Angelica, he was right. You will never be satisfied.
Number 3.
I know my sister like I know my own mind. You will never find anyone who's trusting or as kind. If I tell her that I love him, she'd be silently resign. He'd be mine. She'll say I'm fine, she'd be lying. But when I fantasize at night, it's Alexander's eyes as I romanticize what might have been if I hadn't sized him up so quickly. At least, my dear Eliza's his wife. At least I keep him.